Hey guys, it's been a while, but today we've decided to go on a bit of an adventure. So some of you may remember last year we did the full Waterfalls trail in Brecon Beacons, and we missed one of the waterfalls. You've only seen 3 of them. Well, today we're back for the 4th one. We are here, aren't we, Dex? We're ready?
Uh-huh.
We are ready to go.
Oh, it's called me a doggo then.
Here we go. So here we are on the trail, walking down. We haven't been walking that long and we can already hear some waterfall. So we're quite excited.
It's definitely not out there.
Definitely not down there now. So here we go. So last year we were over on that ledge where those people are, looking at this waterfall. This is not the one we came to find. We're going to keep walking. So last year when we came, we were over by there looking down. We can't go down there because it's the waterfall.
We've never
This
been
one-
here.
We have. Whoa. We've made the waterfall we came to find. We're going to get up behind them. Made it behind the waterfall. Yay! Hello, right behind. Made it!
Yes, bro.
End of the waterfall. Hello. There, we made it all the way. Dexter, what do you think? Good, yeah. Dave?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. Oh, there is up there. That's just where we walk. We're going to walk back that way. Very cool, we think. We really enjoyed it. So back in the car, quite warm, even though it's a mildish day. It's literally 17 degrees, but warm when you're walking like that. Dexter, would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, but it was
Oh,
not,
good.
But the steps are kind of hard though.
Yeah, the steps are hard, but
And it was wrecking us.
yeah.
It was brutal.
And Gizmo shattered as well.
He's shattered.
Dave, you knackered?
Boiling.
Boiling, yeah. Good day then.